Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to present my analysis on natural gas futures in a newly constructed chart pattern which I have prepared to map the movements of natural gas futures during the year 2019. Today I would like to explain why I feel bound to favor a long position in natural gas futures, because I feel today the natural gas futures are just creeping at the base level of 2019. You would feel anxious to know why I am saying so. First, let me explain the basis of my analysis, that why I have prepared this new pattern to map the movements of natural gas futures for the year 2019. As we have seen that the US natural gas prices have been volatile sessions during last few trading weeks, or I will say during the last 10 weeks, we have seen a lot of volatility in natural gas futures. We know that as most bullish domestic demand factor, US LNG exports will put a floor under our own market. LNG exports will increasingly become an important demand market and are now going to be easy to simply shut off it out of our own price rise. Over the final week of 2018, US LNG exports surpassed 5 billion cubic feet per day for the first time. This is an increase of over 60% for the same time in 2017. LNG is now 4% of total US gas needs and remain our largest incremental market going forward. Friends, easing of trade war with China, the largest new gas user in the world, with nearly 15 regasification terminals scheduled to come up online during the year 2020 to 2023. 2019 will be the biggest year ever for US LNG. China was the third largest buyer of US LNG last year after Mexico and South Korea, despite having no off-take agreement. And now, once we overtake the currently going on tariff trade war issue between US and China, I find we will see natural gas futures to shoot more above the current levels that what one can expect right now. Here you can see that currently the natural gas futures are trading at the base levels of their level, which I expect in 2019. Therefore, I have decided to prepare a fresh chart on the basis of last volatile moves during the last few weeks which we have witnessed in natural gas futures. So now I find that currently we are at the base of natural gas futures. They are just creeping since last few trading sessions. This is a daily chart, friends. So here you can see that since 31st December 2018, we have seen them taking a good support in the daily chart at the level of $2.903, and now they have started to scale upward, where they are facing their first resistance at this uptrend line. Once they cross this first resistance level, which is currently at $3.004, I find soon we will see a sharp upward move on January 11, 2019, where this upward zone begins. And here you can see that 20 days exponential moving average is trying to come over 20 days moving average, which indicates a breakout very soon in natural gas futures. So during the year 2019, I will always give my analysis in the same chart which I have prepared now. So let us see this chart pattern in a 4-hour zone, how the natural gas futures are trying to behave since last few trading sessions. Here you can see that we have found a good support at the level of $2.897, or I define this support level as at $2.888, which provides a sufficient base for natural gas futures on the lower side, where the bargain hunters come forward and take long positions. Here you can see that still the 20 days exponential moving average is above the 20 days moving average, and both are turning upward. And here I find that the possibilities of a breakout very soon before the announcement of impending inventory of natural gas on January 10th, 2019. So friends, be ready for an action in natural gas futures, and no doubt that soon we will see natural gas futures to face their first resistance at the level of dollar, at this level, at the level of $3.444, and I find that during the upcoming week we will see natural gas futures to break this first resistance before moving towards the 200 days moving average, which will be their next target during the upcoming week. Let us see this chart in a 1 hour chart pattern, what I find and where we should put our stop loss order when we are going wrong. So I find that this boundary will provide a good support to natural gas futures. If the natural gas futures turn downward for a short time and touch this level, this will be the most appropriate level to put a stop loss according to the dates. So I would like to place my stop loss order at the level of $2.888, and I find that the natural gas futures will provide a good opportunity to natural gas traders to take a long position till the natural gas futures are trading above this uptrend line for a short upward move in a very short period. Here you can see that the natural gas futures came downward till the level of $2.940 and see a lot of buying is going on. This formation is evident enough to show the extent of good buying in an hourly chart, which provide a lot of evidence of bargain hunters are very much present at below the level of $2.948. There is a thick presence of bargain hunters. So friends, be ready for an action in natural gas futures. So first let us see the movements of natural gas futures in the 15-minute chart before moving ahead. Here you can see how the natural gas futures when touched the level of $2.942 and a green candle has been formed on a downward move, and I find that once again we will try to move above this level, above the level of $2.997. Soon we will see that the natural gas futures will be moving above this level, and this will provide a good clue to go long from the current levels. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful for you, don't forget to like it and share this channel with your more and more friends, and share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.